I'm gonna grab on both sides here. It's easier with two hands, but put that up. That'll allow you to pull this arm out. Take it, keep bending it. And it does pull straight off, but again, see, having two hands would be great. So you're gonna get your new winch. You're gonna get your new wiper blade. It's gonna come with openings for inserts. There'll be 3 different ones. You want to look for the fattest one there is, which is this guy right here. And then we'll put it into the slot. Like so. Make sure it pops in. And now we will install it the same way it came off. Straight up. Rotate it down. That's it.